Mm.
Hola, hi. Miércoles, auspicious miércoles Mahokaji, Banjwa. Especially, I would love to events Progro, Seed, and Shivam, male female seeds. Progro seed has been given by Muga Rajamallu, and Shivam seed has been given by to our family by Pela Madanana. So before 1 month, we have these two kinds of paddy grains put in incubation, and after 1 month, after 1 month means as of today, exactly today, we have made this kind of two seeds replantation done by workers. So especially we have replanted these kind of male female program and shivam seed. So we are feeling Sintiendo, Asam Roso, Hasya, these confluence of Miércoles, Mahukaji, Banjwa, Aveku, Progro and Shivam, male female seed. Today we have finished replanting this Progro and Shivam seed in our honorable land. It's niceness they our especially I hope this program and Shivam seed should bring a good yielding crop to our family, especially our family means especially Merugu Malaya and Merugu Madaka, Merugu Madanaka, Merugu Malaya and Merugu Madanaka are our parents. So everything this seeds works happened means because of our family heads means Merugu Malaya and Merugu Madaka. It's a nice confluence of program and Shivam seeds Aveku, Miércoles and Mahukaji, Banjwa.